Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Today is American Thanksgiving and we're also a month away from Christmas Eve, which means that out-of-town family members and friends might stay overnight. The next morning, breakfast is another meal you have to think of making, and here's a fabulous easy one your guests will love. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Mini Mexican Tortilla Quiche. It's a gorgeous meal to serve them. It's colorful, flavorful, and doesn't take much time to make. Having people over shouldn't be stressful, so enjoy the simple and yet tasty recipe. So my friends, let's get cooking. Well, go ahead and grease 4 cups of a jumbo muffin pan and place a tortilla in each, pressing down evenly. With our long fingernails, ladies, the knuckles are the best way to do it. There, nice and neat. Next, in a large bowl or a very big measuring cup, we'll add our beaten eggs, red onions, red peppers, poblano peppers, some celery, and sharp cheddar cheese. We'll give a good stir until the ingredients are nicely blended before adding a little bit of milk, otherwise the mixture will be too thick. Then a few dashes of hot sauce. I'm using Cholula. Love that sauce. Some chipotle chili powder, ground cumin, another favorite of mine, a touch of ground sea salt, and the same with freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir once again, making sure everything is well combined. We'll now fill the tortillas to 2/3 full, just like when we make muffins and cupcakes. We'll transfer to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 22 to 25 minutes or until the eggs are cooked. We'll remove from the heat, sprinkle on some chopped cilantro, and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Mini Mexican Tortilla Quiche. This is a quick and delicious meal to serve, plus it's pretty cute. It looks like a flower blossom with yumminess inside. With great ingredients, you're sure to enhance your breakfast or brunch with this flavorful recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!